Hello Numberblock fans, it's me again, and today's video we're going to learn the Numberblock 3 and 4 times table. This is also easy and it's very important for everyone and you guys all. Anyways, let's go to the Numberblock 3 times table. Here is our Numberblock 3, which is the number entertainer. Well, Numberblock 3 has 3 pointed crowns and 3 juggling balls. It's because 3 is the entertainer. So 1, 3 is 3 because I have only 1 3. And here is our another 3. So 2 lots of 3s are 6 again. Numberblock 6 is again. Well, 6 is made out of 2 3s, 3 2s, or 6 1s. Well, 2 lots of 3s are 6 because she has, and that's why she has 6 eyelashes. 1 eye has 3 eyelashes, so 2 lots of 3s are 6. And she has the dots because she loves to play the games with her dice and the pot and palace. And she loves to make a rhyme with the remix. Well, let's add the another 3. Here is our another 3. So 3 lots of 3s are 9. 9 is made out of 3 lots of 3s. Wait, did you hear that? 3 lots of 3? 3 lots of 3s, which means Numberblock 9 can make 3 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall, which means he's the third member of the Square Club. He splits into 3 3s, which means the 3 3s entertainer. Well, anyways, let's add the another 3. Here is our another 3. So we got 4 3s, right everyone? Yes. Well, we have 4 3s. 4 lots of 3s are 12. 12 is made out of 4 3s or 3 4s. She has the rectangle eyes. It's because, oopsie, she's the member of the Rectangle Club. Well, Numberblock 12 can make 1 by 12, 2 by 6, 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 6 by 2, and 12 by 1. Which means she can make 6 rectangles. 6 rectangle is the super rectangle. But also, the numbers which can make 6 or 7 rectangle is a super rectangle club. Anyways, let's add the another 3. So here is another 3. So we've got 5 3s. 5 lots of 3s are 15. 15 is the third member of the Made Out of 3 club. Well, 15, she has the step-shaped mask. Do you know why? It's because 15 is the member of the Step Squad Club. Because she is made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That's why she has the dark blue step-shaped eyes. Well, she is the 5th member of the Step Squad Club, including 1, 3, 6, and 10. But she's the first member of the character which is wearing the step-shaped mask. First member of the step-shaped mask. Anyways, let's change the Numberblock 15 in 3 by 5 rectangle formation. Alright, here is our another 3. We've got 6 3s. 6 lots of 3s are 18. 18 is made out of 6 3s. But 18 can be also the member of the Super Rectangle Club. But he's super speedy. More speedy than 12. Well, he's the second member of the Super Rectangle Club with his sister 12. He can make 6 rectangles like Numberblock 12 too. Well, because he can make 6 rectangles, he will find the numbers which is the super duper rectangle. Just wait for a minute. Well, we've got the another, 6 3s are 18 anyways. And we have the another 3. So 7 lots of 3s are 21. 21 is made out of 20 light peach blocks and 1 red block. But 21 can split into 7 threes or 3 sevens. But she's the first member of the Number Explorer. But wait, did you notice that she has the dark indigo step-shaped mask? Yes, it's because she's the member of the Step Squad Club. 21 is the 6th member of the Step Squad Club because she's split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The tallest one is the number block 6. Let's change into 3x7 rectangle formation. Okay, let's add the another 3 again. We've got 8 threes now. 3 lots of 8s or 8 lots of 3s are 24. 24 is made out of 8 lots of 3s. Now 18 and 12 found the member of the Super Duper Rectangle Club, which is the number block 24. Well, number block 24 can make 8 rectangles. The numbers which can make 8 rectangles or more than 8 is the Super Duper Rectangle. Well, she makes the rectangle all day and all night too. 12 hours of the day and 12 hours of the night. So 2 lots of 12s are 24 hours of a whole day. Well, she can make so many rectangles more than 12 and 18. She's the member of the Super Duper Rectangle Club and also the Super Rectangle Club. Not only Super Rectangle Club, Super Duper Rectangle Club. She has 2 clubs. Anyways, let's change the position of the number block 24. Here is our number block 24 in the crazy position to make the number block special 27. Well, let's add the another 3. So we got 9 lots of 3s are 27. 27 is made out of 9 threes. 3 square 9s can split into 3 3s. So 3 3s, if we change the position, we got 3 by 3 by 3 cube. She's the 3rd member of the Cube Club, including 8 and 1. Like this. A 3D shape. Let's go to the last multiplication. Let's lay 27 in 3 blocks wide. We got 3 by 9's rectangle formation. And here is our last number block 3, but not all. We got 10 lots of 3s. So 10 lots of 3s are, can you guess? 10 lots of 3s are 30. 30 is the number block which is the big entertainer. Well, 30 is made out of 3 10s or 10 threes. That's why she has the eyes and the mouth, just like number block 3. Well, number block 30 has a crown to make her own circus to entertain everyone. Anyways, that was the end of the number block 3 times table. Let's go to the number block 4 times table. Here is our number block 4. Number block 4 is the member of the Square Club because he can make 2 by 2 square. Well, number block 4 has a pet named Squarey, and he has 4 eyebrows, and 1 eyebrow has 2 squares. So 2 lots of 2s are 4. Which means I have 1 4. 1 lots of 4 is 4. And here is our another 4. So we got 2 4s. Let's change the number block 4 from the straight line into square shape. Alright, 2 4s. So I can make 2 4s. 2 lots of 4s are 8. Number block 8 is made out of 2 4s. Well, number block 8 has the spiky mask, spiky eyes. Well, 1 eye has 4 spikes, so 2 lots of 4s are 8. Well, 2 lots of 4s, 4 is 2 2, so 2 2s are 8, which means we can make a new position for a number block 8 from the season 7, which is 2 by 2 by 2. Yeah, he's the 2nd member of the Cube Club. There. So we got 2 4s or 8. Let's add the another 4. Here is our another 4. We've got 3 4s are 12. 12 is made out of 3 4s. So 3 lots of 4s are 12, and 12 is the member of the Super Rectangle Club because she can make 6 rectangles. Anyways, let's add the another 4 again. We've got the another 4. 4 lots of 4s are 16. 16 is made out of 4 4s. Well, 4 4s we can call she is the member of Square Club, including 9, 4, and 1 because she's the 4th member of the Square Club. Oh my gosh, this eye looks full every time. There. Let's change the number box 16 into 2 by 8 rectangle formation. There. I got 2 by 8 rectangle formation. Here is our number block 4, and we got 5 lots of 4s. So 5 lots of 4s are 20. 20 is made out of 5 lots of 4s, but also can split into 10 lots of 2s or 2 lots of 10s. Well, number block 20 loves to dance, especially the 2 10s tango. Let's laying the number block 20 into 3 blocks wide. Well, I think I need to change into a 4 by 5 rectangle formation to make it easier. Sorry everyone. Anyways, we've got the another 4, so 6 lots of 4s are 24. 24 is made out of 6 lots of 4s. But she has the eyes, has the rectangle eyes, but bigger than 12 and 18 to represent that she is the member of the Super Duper Rectangle Club. Well, I know the number block 24 is the member of the Super Rectangle Club, but also, well, 24 can make 8 rectangles, which means she's the member of also the member of the Super Duper Rectangle Club. Well, the numbers which can make 8 or more than 8 rectangles are the Super Duper Rectangle. Let's add the another 4, so which means we got 7 lots of 4s or 28. 28 is made out of 7 lots of 4s. But wait, did you notice that 28 has the step-shaped mask? It's because she's the 7th member of Step Squad Club. She is made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and plus 7. Let's change the number block 28 into normal. There. Let's add the another 4. We've got 8 lots of 4s are 32. 32 is made out of 4 8s. Well, 32 is the 5th member of the doubler. If you keep double from 1, you can reach to 32. And she has the orange features because to represent that, 2 orange blocks in 32. Let's add the another 4 again. So we got 9 4s. 9 lots of 4s are 36. 36 is made out of 9 4s. 9 square 4s or 4 square 9s, which means he is a square. He's the 6th member of the Square Club, but he has the pink staff-shaped mask because he's the 8th member of the Step Squad Club. But I don't show it because I don't want to waste time. Well, anyways, let's add the last number block 4, but not all. Here we got 10 4s. So 10 lots of 4s are 40. 40 is made out of 10 fours, and he has the face similar like the number block 4, but he can make only the oblong rectangles, not squares, unlike the number block 4. But number block 40 has the checkered eyebrows because one eyebrow has 20 squares, so 2 lots of 20s are 40. Well, that was the end of today's video from 3 and 4 times table. If you enjoyed this video, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notification from my new videos. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.